Oh,
We have these people
good
that come
morning.
and they're so heavy, not physically, but emotionally,
Hello.
psychologically. Their energy is so heavy. It's like their
Hello.
battery is dead. I feel like I'm
Who's
gonna
hungry
roll and I
boy?
think I might break through it.
There's my dimple. There it is. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, making something nice for Mommy? I bet you are. Yes, you are. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's going to be famous one day? From all these cameras in his face. Yeah. You'll feel right at home. Aren't you pretty? Oh, bless you. And another one. 3. 4. 4. Goodness gracious. That's loads. You're right.
Things are going to turn out the way you pick.
You're right.
But I'll tell you the fact that you feel this way
Is there more?
good sign.
Oh, is it Yon? No? Oh.
I need to be here. I have a lot of growing inside to do.
Who's a cutie? There's a dimple.
Confidence to still build.
There it is.
Come back and I do feel stronger than I did before.
We love the dimple.
I'll get there.
More dimple.
I'm just not there yet.
There it is. Yes. Who's the cutest boy? You are. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. See you later.
3,
Bye.
2,